Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're on the Las Vegas Strip, the sorta southern end of the Las Vegas Strip. We're gonna check out the New York Hotel and Casino. The casino's so nice, they had to name it twice. That's an old New York joke. Right off the bat, some of you may be wondering, hey, Jeff from New York, why is the Statue of Liberty wearing a freaking Raiders jersey? I was here during the Raiders Las Vegas inaugural their first season here in Las Vegas. The number 20 jersey belongs to Damon Arnett, a cornerback here for the Raiders. The same jersey we saw at the M Resort video just a couple videos back. This town must really like that guy. Anyway, so that explains the jersey on Miss Liberty. They really spared no detail when theming this place, including these beautiful Liberty torches used as door handles throughout the building. So are you ready? Let's head into New York, New York! So we're entering the New York Hotel and Casino from that crosswalk that goes over Las Vegas Boulevard from the MGM Grand, and it leads you into the second floor or the mezzanine level of the New York. And as long as we're talking about streets, the New York is located at the very busy intersection of the Las Vegas Strip, also known as Las Vegas Boulevard, and Tropicana Avenue. And also on this intersection is not only New York and the MGM Grand, but the Tropicana and the Excalibur as well. And all of these properties are MGM properties with the exception of Tropicana. And here's a nice shot of the casino here at the New York from the mezzanine level. The mezzanine level has a couple shops and fast food restaurants, mainly for people walking along the strip or crossing over that overpass that we came in on to stop in for a refreshment or something like that. Most of the restaurants and shops here at the New York are downstairs, and we're going to check them out in a moment. One of the main places of interest here on the mezzanine level is the Ugly Coyote Bar. The website says experience the live version of the saloon that starred in its own movie featuring coyotes showcasing their artistic pouring skills. Live acoustic country acts, dancing, drink specials, and non-stop fun every weekend. Come misbehave with us. And now I came down the escalator, no worries, I held on tight, and we're entering the main area of the casino here, as well as the front desk and reservation area. Excuse me, is there a manager or someone I can speak to about this carpet? Hey, listen guys, I wrote a song, wanna hear it? Here we go! Ugly casino carpet, I don't know what to do. I feel so bad 'cause you're ugly, and you let people walk all over you. I think I was channeling Kurt Cobain right there. And if you like that song, let me know in the comments below. I might compile a new video, Jeff from New York's Greatest Misses. Technically, I can tell people that I've gotten lucky with Vanna White here at the New York Hotel. This is where my big slot pull win was, and you can check that video out somewhere on my channel, just do a search. This is the front desk or the main reservation area, and quite frankly, that mural over the reservation area looks nothing like the skyline of New York, or at least very little like it. Someone didn't do their homework. Coming up here on the left is the center bar. Step into the center bar located in the heart of the New York's casino floor. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. There's a bunch of nice places to eat along the edge of the casino here at the New York, including the Il Fornaio. Travel to romantic Italy and indulge in homemade and imported pasta, firewood pizza, rotisserie chicken and duck, hearty steaks and chops, mesquite grilled fish, and the season's picks for salads and soups at our purveyor of award-winning Italian cuisine. Imported pasta. Technically, that could mean they got it from CVS next door. We also pass Chin Chin Cafe and Sushi Bar, as well as Gallaghers Steakhouse. Enjoy the finest dry-aged beef and fresh seafood at Gallaghers Steakhouse, a New York City original since 1927. And now we're heading into the Village Street Eateries, and it's a Greenwich Village themed area, and they do a really good job here. You can stroll through the brownstone and tree-lined Greenwich Village area and experience sidewalk dining and all its charm. Who knew someday sidewalk dining would be your only option? The website says stroll through the brownstone, tree-lined Greenwich Village and experience sidewalk dining and all its charm. The Village Eateries offer Scirocco's New York pizza, famous neighborhood sandwiches at Greenberg's Deli, fish, chips, and more at Fulton's Fish Fry, fresh baked pastries at the Village Bakery, and the best hot dogs on the Strip at Times Square to go. Broadway Burger and Bar Grill was one of the contenders in my New York's Best Burger on the Strip Challenge number 2, and check that video out. It just came out about a week ago. They fared pretty well, and they're located right here. There's lots of places in New York to get your drink on as well, including 9-5 Irishman, which is right off the casino. It also goes outside to the Strip. Great Irish pub with some really good food. We also have the bar at Times Square, which is right around the corner here. As I mentioned earlier, Coyote Ugly. There's the chocolate bar, which serves up chocolate libations for adults. There's Pour 24, the Center Bar, Big Chill, the Lobby Bar, and a High Limit Bar as well. This is the entrance to Cirque du Soleil's Zoomanities show. I saw that show a while back ago, and there's a video of it on my New York channel here, so make sure you check that out. It's actually quite a popular video on the channel. It's my understanding, unfortunately, that Zoomanity has been closed down permanently. Even more reason to check out that video. If I remember, I'll leave a link in the description below. Coming up shortly on the left is going to be Tom's Urban, a sports bar and grill here at the New York. One of those restaurants that you can enter either through the inside or from the Strip. They have outdoor seating as well. At Tom's Urban, your game is always on. Cheer for your team on our patio or inside and enjoy your favorite draft. Maestro, some New York vibe music, please. And here we have the New York sports book. It's not the largest sports book on the Strip, but you know what they say, size doesn't matter unless we're talking about your wager. While New York is not known for its shopping, that is the one in Las Vegas, the one that I come from is known for its shopping, but that's another story. There are some shops here at New York, and they include Cashman Crystal, Cashman's Photo Magic, Essentials, Gotta Have It, Grand Central Bling, Hello Kitty Cafe, Hershey's Chocolate World, another video coming up, Houdini's Magic Shop, I Love New York, Soho Shop, Stupidiotic, and Swatch. And while we're walking along this ugly casino carpet, a shout out to Wise Malik who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my Mirage room tour video, the one right before this video. And a shout out to Sheila Shindy as well, who spotted Clarice the Miss America crown in my Tropicana Atlantic City video. Congratulations, guys. This is 9-5 Irishman, inspired by the group of extraordinary Irishmen who led lives of great adventure. This is a pub of epic proportions that was built in Ireland and shipped to the heart of Las Vegas. That's right, it was built in Ireland, taken apart, and rebuilt here at the New York Hotel. As for food and drink, our signature dishes are made of only the freshest, natural Irish ingredients that pair perfectly with the finest stouts, ales, lagers, and spirits. 9-5 Irishmen also have seating outside on the Strip. Now these escalators going upstairs lead to a self-parking area, a lot of meeting rooms here at the New York Hotel and Casino, as well as a large arcade and the famous New York roller coaster, which everyone sees from the Strip. This is the casino from the Jeff from New York Skyview cam, or just a fancy name for Jeff on an escalator with a camera. Hold on tight. Is that a Nathan's hot dog? That's authentic New York now. Nathan's from Coney Island. I think I might cry. I have several Coney Island videos on this channel, and check them out if you get a chance. There's a lot more to Jeff from New York than Las Vegas, Atlantic City, and New Orleans, trust me. This is the ticket area and locker area for the Big Apple roller coaster, which everyone can spot from outside the building. Maestro, what have you got for an arcade walkthrough? Hold on tight. So on my way out of the building, I found this window here at Gallaghers, the steakhouse here at New York. We passed it on the way a little bit earlier. And they're showing how they dry age steak here in the windows, and I thought it was very interesting. Vegetarians turn away. The sign says this is real beef being dried aged on the bone for 15 days following 3 weeks of wet aging. During this period, the sirloins undergo enzymatic changes that intensify the flavor, deepen color, and tenderize the meat by softening the connective tissue. Alrighty, before we close out this New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas on the New York channel, I wanted to take a walk along the Strip to show you what the New York looks like from the Strip side. Okay, you got your Tom's Urban Sports Bar here on the right, and the Brooklyn Bridge, not really true to scale, on the left-hand side here. You got some security cops on bikes here. Don't look them in the eye or pet them, folks. Now, what looks like authentic cobblestone is really just mosaic tiles here in Las Vegas, and you ladies should be thankful because in New York City, well, the cobblestones have been known to break some heels. Most of you women here on the Las Vegas Strip are wearing sneakers or sandals or some kind of comfortable shoe. Very rarely do you see high heels on the Vegas Strip unless the woman's, entertaining. Now, all those restaurants and stores we saw inside New York, well, they have exposures here on the Strip as well, and you can enter them or exit them as you please. Now, I know lots of people ask, do trees really grow in New York City? And the answer is, yeah, of course. What surprises me is that they grow here in Vegas. And on the right here we have that Nine Fine Irishman restaurant that I showed you inside, a pub of epic proportions that was built in Ireland and shipped to the heart of Las Vegas. Hey, where's the real security?
1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching New York channel. Keep watching or we're gonna arrest you and molest you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
If you don't, we're gonna arrest you.
And molest you.
I feel so safe here on the Las Vegas Strip, knowing that Cagney and Lacey are walking the beat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.